Guys, if you have ripe plantain, you can make this plantain crepe. So to make this recipe, I used 1 ripe plantain, an egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. That's it. You don't need any leavening agents like baking powder and all that. You don't need that for this recipe. And you don't need sugar for this recipe also, because the plantain itself, just brings its goodness to the dish. So all you need to do is to add all these ingredients into your blender, blend until smooth, and then you heat up your pan, coat with some oil, and make your plantain crepe. The fun part about this plantain crepe is that it is mainly plantains, so you get that plantain feel so much. The sweetness is there because you're not using a lot of flour, so you just get that flavor. It's amazing. Like my kids, we are obsessed about this because I am obsessed also. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you get to give it a try.